guys, how's it going today? I'm back on my channel and I'm gonna do some stuff with makeup today. It's kind of different from my previous videos, but since I have my hair pretty short now and I stopped dyeing it because it was falling out, I figured I'd try some videos with makeup. And I apologize if I don't know everything about makeup. I'm not a professional. I basically know like very basic things and then that's it. I'm still learning, so I figured it would be a good idea to try out IPSY. It's a monthly subscription that they send you different kinds of products. Like you take a little quiz online and you know they do talk about like your skin type and kind of what your goals are and everything, and that's pretty much it. So I figured I'd do like a little unboxing video. So yeah, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out of here and we'll just see where it goes. Okay, so the first thing I feel in here is a brush. Yeah, it says Hip Dot on it, and oh, it says a contour brush. So apparently this does whatever that means. Contouring. I know it's like when you put the dark here and kind of all over your face and whatever. I don't really do that much, so I might just use it for blush. I mean, it is just a brush at this point, but let's see what the next thing is. I think that was the only thing outside of this little fun baggie here. Since it was February, I guess they went with the Valentine's Day kind of theme. So let's see here. I think it's going to, okay, it's going to name everything that I have in here. That's cool. So the next thing is the MU2 NYC Eyeshadow Duo in Park Slope. Aha. It's in bubble wrap, which is good because I break everything. This is pretty, actually. I really, really like this. I don't know if you can see that, if it's gonna focus or not. But it's kind of got like a shiny one here, like a shimmer, and then like more of a plain over there, like a brown. That's really nice because I like a lot of neutral colors. I don't like anything that's like super flashy. The next thing on the list here is Gold Faden MD Radical Difference, a serum that helps give your skin exactly what it needs: nourishment, protection, and hydration. So this is going to be, and these are all like sample type sizes, so it's like small. But this is it, and it's supposed to be like a moisturizer for your skin. Since I already have stuff on my face right now, I probably won't put it on. But in my next unboxing video, I'm gonna be using this from now on, and I'll let you guys know how it turned out, if it's good, if it stinks, whatever. So the next thing is a dual-ended eyeliner, and that's Koki. I don't know if I'm saying this stuff right. I really don't, and I'm sorry if I'm not. I really suck at this. It's KOKIE Cosmetics Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. So this looks really interesting. It's 2-in-1, waterproof and smudge proof. And then there is a Shades by Shan lip gloss in champagne. Okay, so this is really, really beautiful. This is like shimmery. I really wish that the camera would focus in on it, but I'm going to try this on in a bit. And then there's something that's not on this list in here. So maybe it's like a little bonus thing. I think I was supposed to get something that was separate, but okay. So another thing from Hip Dot. And oh, okay. This is really, really like dark, but I love it. It's got this shiny black and then that maroon-ish like mauve color and then the peachy color. But then we have this fun little bag and then that was it. So these are, it's just the simple, I think it's like literally $12 a month, $15 a month, something like that. Glam bag. But anyway, so let's get into it. First thing that we're gonna try, this brush is supposed to be for contouring. So I actually do have a contour palette from e.l.f. that I hardly ever use. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and go like this. My face is gonna look end up looking ridiculous today. And remember what I said at the beginning of this video, I do not know how to contour like at all. I just seen it in some videos, so I'm just doing like a very light sort of thing. Okay, so whatever. I figured I'd try it, but this feels really nice on your skin. It really does, it's nice. So the next thing would be this little eyeshadow. I think I'm just gonna do this with my finger again because obviously the brush didn't help me at all. So they're really pretty, like a light brown color. That's really pretty, I like that. So then I'm just gonna put this on this side. This is what this is meant for. Oh, that's beautiful, I like that. I feel like you guys can't really see it that well, but this is really nice. I actually want to keep this on. Okay, so now that that's done, I got a chance to look at this, and I think one side is liquid and the other side. So this side is like a pencil type thing, and then do under here too. I just feel like my eyelashes don't look full enough if I don't have this done. Yeah, that's okay. So one eye without, one eye with. And we're gonna try the liquid eyeliner, which I really, oh no, I don't, God, my finger already. Ooh, oh wow. This is really smooth. I like this a lot. I know it looks like crap, but I'm excited. All right, that's not too bad. Like I said, I am not a professional. I do not know how to do stuff like this. I haven't used liquid eyeliner in a very long time. I used to be complete master at it. For my mascara, I used, just in case you're curious, I used CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion, and it's aqua resistant. Anyway, we're gonna try on the lip gloss now and see how that goes. The last lip gloss that I have gotten from IPSY from a very long time ago is still in my pocketbook, and it's one of my favorites, and it looks literally exactly like this. Only it's not, I know it's not the same brand. Put this on. And I just use like a regular chapstick on my lips. They're a little bit dry because of the winter. But that's basically it, and it has a little bit of like a tint to it. I feel like it's really, I like it, it's pretty. I'm definitely gonna wear this to work or something. But yeah, so I pretty much like all the products that they provided me. It goes, everybody's different. I think it goes based off your quiz, based off what you want. They sent me a lot of like nude colors and like dark colors because that's the kind of stuff I said I liked in my quiz. But I will be curious to see what other people got in their little fun bags. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I had a lot of fun filming this, and it's been fun doing my makeup. I don't usually do my makeup in front of anybody. Yeah, so I just love makeup. It's so much fun to play with and to wear and everything, and just kind of explore what's out there, because you never know what that one favorite thing is gonna be until it comes along, and then you're like, I cannot believe I just went my whole entire life without this mascara or without this eyeliner. Like, there's so many different products out there, and that's what I like about IPSY, is they give you a little taste of different products, and you can kind of pick and choose what you like, and you don't have to necessarily stick with a whole entire like big container. Like, this probably would be $80 or something for a giant bottle, but I got this little tiny bottle in my little sampler thing, and it's gonna be fun because I can see if I actually want to use it. If you guys like this stuff, please share with your friends, please comment, please like. I really appreciate anybody who watches this, and I hope that you learned a little something, and maybe you want to sign up for IPSY too. And that's about it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will be seeing you guys later. Bye.